This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a resale certificate in California. First, understand that this certificate is crucial for businesses purchasing goods for resale. It exempts you from paying sales tax on those purchases, streamlining your inventory acquisition. This ensures you only collect and remit sales tax once, when you sell the item to the end consumer. It's a key tool for managing your business finances effectively and legally. To be eligible for a California resale certificate, you first need a valid California seller's permit. This permit confirms your business is registered with the state for sales tax purposes. Your business must also be actively engaged in selling tangible personal property. Remember, the items you purchase using the certificate must be intended for resale to your customers, not for your own business operations or personal consumption. Applying for your resale certificate is straightforward. You'll typically apply online through the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration, or CDTFA, website. You'll need to provide your existing California seller's permit number and some basic business information. The online application is designed to be user-friendly, and many businesses find they can complete the entire process in just a few minutes. Once you have your resale certificate, simply present it to your suppliers when purchasing items you intend to resell. It's crucial to maintain meticulous records of all tax-exempt purchases, as the CDTFA may audit these transactions. This ensures you remain compliant and avoid any potential penalties. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.